In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in ERPNext. Changing the language settings can be incredibly useful, especially if you're working with a diverse team or simply feel more comfortable operating in a different language. Let's dive right into it, and I'll walk you through this straightforward process. First, begin by logging into your ERPNext account. As you navigate through the login screen, ensure that all your credentials are entered correctly to avoid any potential hiccups. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, where you usually conduct your daily tasks and operations. Now, I want you to direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you will see your profile icon. This icon represents your account settings and is your main hub for personalizing your ERPNext experience. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. After clicking, a drop-down menu will appear, giving you several options to choose from. From these options, select My Settings. This section is dedicated to all things personal customization for your ERPNext account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different settings available here, though today we'll focus solely on changing the language. Now, within the My Settings section, you should see a drop-down menu labeled Language. Clicking on this drop-down will reveal a list of available languages that you can apply to your ERPNext interface. Scroll through this list until you find the language that suits your preference or need. It might be English, Spanish, French, Chinese, or any other language supported by ERPNext. Once you've found it, select your preferred language. With your choice made, the next step is crucial. You'll need to save your new settings. Look for the Save button on the page and give it a click. This action will apply your new language preference, ensuring ERPNext recognizes and implements this change. Once saved, you might be eager to see how these changes look. To finalize everything and ensure the new settings take full effect, refresh your page. You can do this by clicking the refresh icon on your browser, or simply press F5 on your keyboard if you prefer a quick shortcut. After refreshing, you'll notice the entire interface has transformed to display in the language you selected. This change will help make your interactions with ERPNext smoother and more intuitive, especially if the selected language is your native one. Take a moment to browse around and ensure everything is displaying correctly. If you encounter any issues or the interface doesn't seem to update, consider logging out and back in, as this sometimes helps finalize the changes. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language in ERPNext, making it a seamless experience tailored to your preferences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day using ERPNext in your preferred language.